this spacious living and dining area. You can see the kitchen is also very spacious. Over here is the space of your largest master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project L&T West Square by L&T Realty located in Seawoods. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And to my right, you can see the actual towers of the project where you can see the construction is in full swing. Also, you can see the railway station and the main road on the left side. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 4.5 acres that has total of 5 towers that will be developed all together with elevation of 3 basement, ground plus 18 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. Now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, jogging track, senior citizen area, tennis court, multipurpose court and many more amenities within the project. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Nexus Seawoods Mall, from where D-Mart is only at a distance of 1 minute, Seawoods railway station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Podar International School is only at a distance of 5 minutes, and Navi Mumbai International Airport is only at a distance of 8 minutes from the project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of the residential project L&T West Square. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1050 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. First, as we enter, you will get this spacious living and dining area. You can see your living is very spacious to place your sofas, center tables and to customize your TV unit. You will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs, your swings or whatever you want. Also, this will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Also, you can see your living and dining is very spacious. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Moving forward, to the left of the entrance, we have your kitchen where you will be getting 2 platforms, one L-shaped platform and one single platform. You can see the kitchen is also very spacious. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator and your washing machine in the other corner. And to the left of the kitchen, we have our first master bedroom. As we enter, you can see you get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and to the left of the entrance we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can place your king or queen size bed along with the side table. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner. You can customize your TV units or your study and makeup corner as well. And you will also be getting half French windows with glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Now moving forward to the other bedrooms. Also, this flat is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides and you will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. And this is your alley area that has entrance to your other bedrooms. Over here, we have your common bedroom that will come, that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed. You can see you have movable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your wardrobe in this corner, and you will be getting full French windows with a balcony. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to the common bedroom, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see you have a very spacious foyer area that gives your master bedroom full privacy, and this over here is the space of your largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK, where you can place your king size bed, your side tables. You can customize your TV unit, you can customize your study corner, or you can make a seating area. You will also be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony attached to this master bedroom. You can place your tea tables, tea chairs and swings in this balcony as well. And the best part about this master bedroom is that you get a walk-in wardrobe space that you can customize as per your choice. You have wardrobe space on both the sides in this walk-in wardrobe, and attached to it is your attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project L&T West Square. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project L&T West Square by L&T Realty located in Seawoods.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.